Hey guys, here I have the dent repair kit for the car. It should work on any type of dents on a car or other appliances that have a similar surface. Let's take a look what was inside. By the way, this bag was inside the box, so I already put everything, all kit, inside the bag. And now let's take a look what it has. Inside this bag I have a lot of different stuff that will help me to fix many types of dents, including, so yeah, I have here a hammer, a glue gun, a lot of small tiny stuff, some tools, cloth, glue, and adjustable bridge. Most things that I could imagine. It's just a lot, and I think anything that I have, any dents, any damages, I will be able to fix. Just I will need the instruction, and I have it. It looks like I got a lot for money I spent. What can I expect now? I expect to get some new dents fixing experience, and I expect to have some more money in my pocket that I'm gonna save doing it myself.